Okay, this is part 2. On the other part, I found h sub xx, and so now I'm going to do h sub yy and h sub xy. So here I have the partial derivatives, first partial derivatives done. I just copied them over. Now I'm going to do h sub yy. So that means I'm going to take the partial with respect to y of this quotient. Now this time I'm going to use the quotient rule just to be different. So the quotient rule says I take the derivative of the top with respect to y times the bottom. Minus the top times the derivative of the bottom. Derivative of the outside evaluated the inside times the derivative of the inside with respect to y. So that's just going to be 2y all over the bottom squared. So the bottom squared just turns out to be x squared plus y squared to the first. So to simplify this, I have x squared plus y squared to the 1/2. These twos cancel, and I'm left with minus y squared, x squared plus y squared to the minus 1/2, all divided by x squared plus y squared to the first. Now this does, oh sorry you guys didn't see that, sorry. So again, all I did was simplify this part to be y squared times x squared plus y squared to the minus 1/2. All right, now how do I simplify this? Because this is actually a complex fraction. If you see the negative here and the negative here. There's a variety of ways you can do this, but I'll do it the way that I like. I find this way really easy. So I'm just going to put everything as a fraction. So this will be y squared over x squared plus y squared to the positive 1/2, bringing that down. And then the whole thing is going to be over x squared plus y squared to the first. And again, I'll put that over 1. Now looking through these three denominators, I see the common denominator is x squared plus y squared to the 1/2. So I'm going to multiply each term by x squared plus y squared to the 1/2. X squared plus y squared to the 1/2. X squared plus y squared to the 1/2. Now this guy cancels, and that's the whole reason why I did it. The product of these two guys here is actually x squared plus y squared to the first. Adding the powers. So I have x squared plus y squared to the first minus, now this y squared is still there, divided by x squared plus y squared to the first times s squared plus y squared to the 1/2 is x squared plus y squared to the 3/2. That's going to equal, those cancel, x squared divided by x squared plus y squared to the 3/2. Now I did the previous problem using the product rule. I did the other example with the product rule. I did this one with the quotient rule. I don't care which way you use, just use the methods legitimately. Now part 3 will be finding h sub xy and yx.